What does Jesus mean when he announces deliverance to the captives? And why does that matter if you still feel trapped by something he has already released? Luke 4, verse 18 says, "The Spirit of the Lord is upon me, because he hath anointed me to preach the gospel to the poor. He hath sent me to heal the brokenhearted, to preach deliverance to the captives, and recovering of sight to the blind, to set at liberty them that are bruised." The word behind deliverance and liberty is aphesis, Strong's G 859. It means release, letting go, the cancellation of a debt, or the freeing of a prisoner. That means Jesus is not announcing a vague feeling of freedom. He is announcing an actual release. Debt canceled, sentence lifted, captive set loose. First, aphesis is release, not just rescue. The word points to a formal sending away. Debts canceled, sentences lifted, and captives legally set loose. Second, Jesus announces a real status change. Luke 4, verse 18, does not offer a vague feeling of freedom. It declares an objective release enacted by the Anointed One. Third, Jubilee turns deliverance into restoration. First century hearers would hear debt cancellation, freed servants, and lost inheritance restored inside this word. Fourth, forgiveness and freedom belong together. Because aphesis can mean both forgiveness and liberty, grace is not only pardon from guilt, but release from bondage. Fifth, released people become agents of release. Those who receive Christ's deliverance learn to stop holding canceled debts over themselves and others. Discover this every single day with the Bible Verses Meaning app. Tap any word to see its original Hebrew or Greek meaning instantly. Get deep linguistic analysis with practical application. And ask any question to get scripture-backed answers. Today's song inspired by aphesis is called "Burning the Ledger."
The ledger's been heavy, lines of gray, a sentence served in the light of day. Under the ashes, a debt was due, waiting for the ink to carry me through. I felt the bond, a cold metal ring, but a signature's coming to do its thing. Stir up the fire, let it catch the wind. This where the actual life begins. Blow back the flame, leave the ash behind. A clean slate waiting for the soul to find. Oh, stir it up, let the embers glow. Nowhere left for the ghost to go. The final clause is written plain. Wash away the old paper stain. A spiritual discharge, the bond is dead. Walking the path the elders tread. No more sentence, no more fee. Just the click of the lock setting the spirit free. Stir up the fire, let it catch the wind. This where the actual life begins. Blow back the flame, leave the ash behind. A clean slate waiting for the soul to find. Oh, stir it up, let the embers glow. Nowhere left for the ghost to go. Release the weight, release the weight. Clean the slate, clean the slate. The death is gone, the death is gone. Welcome the dawn. Stir up the fire, let it catch the wind. This where the actual life begins. Blow back the flame, leave the ash behind. A clean slate waiting for the soul to find. Oh, stir it up, let the embers glow. Nowhere left for the ghost to go. Stir it up, ooh, clean slate now. Oh, I'm free, I'm free.